In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple two-step funnel in which you're going to be able to capture leads and why it is so important that you can start doing it right now. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create a funnel in which we are going to be capturing people's name and email. Chances are that you might be wondering, like, Diana, does it make sense to drive traffic directly to the product page? Let's say that this is the product that you're going to be promoting. This is a portable selfie and ring light. You can see here. Okay. And what people sometimes are doing is that they are sending traffic directly to the product page. But this is more like the hit and miss strategy. Why? Because remember that nowadays there are people using, internet not only on their computer, but also on their cell phone. And chances are that it might be different options. The first thing is that they are interested, but they don't have the money to purchase your product. They might be interested, but someone called them. So they got distracted and they forget about the product. Sometimes they are not ready or they are not in the right place. Maybe they are, at the supermarket buying groceries and they're not going to pull up their credit card information to make the purchase. So we need to keep doing follow-ups. And we also have the possibility to promote other products and services. Okay. This is an online business. Okay. As a business, you need to have a base of leads and customers, and you need to have repeat customers. Okay. So that's why this is actually so important. The tool that we're going to be using, I'm going to be leaving a link below. It's Systeme.io. With Systeme.io, you're going to have the opportunity to create this funnel. Okay. You're going to have the opportunity to create this funnel, but you don't have to worry about paying anything upfront. So with the link below, you're going to have the opportunity to create your account. Okay. So here this is basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to be creating two pages. Okay. If you're doing affiliate marketing, here is a page in which you are going to be promoting something for free. It can be cheat sheet, a guideline, an ebook, a PDF. Okay. Even an access to a webinar. And don't worry, we don't have to create the webinar. Okay. Here you're going to have what we call the bridge page. This can be a video. This can be some text in which we are going to be introducing, okay, the product. And here you're going to have a button that is going to be your link. And here now you're going to have the product page. As I mentioned before, this is so important because we can do follow-ups, okay, in which we're going to be reminding people about this product. We can promote a second product. We can promote more products and services, okay? So how do we do that? Okay, remember that we're going to be using Systeme.io. Systeme.io, by opening the account with the link below, you're going to go here where it says websites. And this sometimes happen, okay? They changed it recently. Here on websites, you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. And you're going to click here where it says create. Okay, here on create, I'm going to type a name. I'm going to put an example. Okay, if you already have a domain connected, you're going to have the opportunity to change it here. Okay, I'm going to use my domain. And I'm going to be building an audience. We don't care about the currency in this specific funnel. So we're going to leave it as it is. And then you're going to click here on the name. Okay. Here, you're going to click here on the name. So here I have the two pages, the switch page, which is this one. Okay. Let me change this color. This is the first one that we're going to be talking about. Okay. So we have some templates. That's another reason why I like Systeme.io is because they already have some templates here that we already created. I'm going to show you some more. I really like something simple. Okay. I really like something simple, easy to edit. And most importantly, that people are not going to get distracted. We can remove some elements. I'm going to show you how you can do that. But just take that into consideration. This needs to be something simple so they can actually put their information super simple. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, so let's say that we are gonna go, we can go with this one if you like. We can click here on preview. Okay. These elements, we can remove them. Okay. We can also go with this one as well. Okay. Actually, you can choose the one that you like the most. At the end of the day, you're going to go to customize it. Let's say that we are, I don't know, giving away. Here we have some for ebooks and so on stuff. Okay. I really like this one. This is actually really simple. So they have just the action per se. But let's say that we are going to go with this one. Okay. So I'm going to click here where it says select. I can change the name here. You're going to see my domain here. I can put here like example, YouTube or whatever. I can change it here. Okay, I'm going to go here and click where it says edit page. And here on edit page, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the elements that I don't like. So for example, I want to remove this, okay, because I don't want to have any distraction, okay? So I can remove it, click here, boom. I can also remove this. This is a section. That's why it's actually in green. I can remove it. I can also remove this. What else do we have here? Definitely, we don't want people to get distracted. Okay, we want something simple. Okay, so here we're gonna have a text. Maybe grab your free copy, free ebook about blah blah blah. Here we have some text as well. If you want to add more, okay, you can literally drag and drop. That's one of the reasons why I really like it. If you want to add some text here, you can do this as well. Okay, if you want to add another section, you can add it here. And I can have another section. I can add rows one. This one has two, one and two. I can have like 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I can add some elements. Let's say I would like to have an image here. Let's say that I would like to have some text here. Okay, this is just showing what is actually possible. Okay. Let's say that I would like to have some text as well and more sexy as well. Okay. But I'm going to delete it because I'm really not going to need this. Okay. If you want to change the image, you can click here where it says image. And here you are going to click here so you can upload it. Okay. If you want this image to be clickable, you can put the link here, but I don't want that. Okay. You can click here and you can upload the image, or you can choose the image that you already have on file. Okay. So with the funnel, we are going to be grabbing their name and email. We have here the first name and last name. I prefer not to collect the last name, just the email and the name. So we can change it here. Actually, I'm going to delete this because and we can just keep the email, but I actually want, as I mentioned, the email. And okay, I have two options. Okay, I can add the element. This one for input, or you can copy it here. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to put it here at the top because I want to ask for the name first. So I'm going to click here. Okay, type of input. It's going to be first name. Okay, and we can actually change the holder. I can click here and I can delete this spacing. Okay, so top margin. Oh, I want a little bit more space. So now I have the first name here. Okay, remember I can click here the wheel. I can align it here. I can change the font size. I can change the background color, the margin, and everything here. Okay. If also I click here, what I want to make sure that the action it's going to go to the next URL. Okay. It's going to go to the next URL. So people, once they click here, and also I can take a look at how it's actually going to look like on a mobile device. Okay. I need to put some space on the mobile. So that's the reason why, if you notice, the icon changed it, okay, because I changed it here. So I'm on the mobile. So everything that I did right now, it's for the mobile version. Okay, so here I have it. Nice. And once you like it, you can literally change it here. Okay, so I'm gonna change changes. Now I have the very first page, which is this one. Now we're gonna go with the thank you page. Basically, it's gonna be the same, but you're gonna notice that um the templates are gonna change because they're gonna change based of which type of page you choose. Okay, so I can go with something simple as this. Okay, I'm gonna just choose one just for instance example. Okay, remember it can be just text. It can be a video. Okay, for example, we have this one for then ebook. I want to show you something about the images. Sometimes the images doesn't show on the preview. That's normal. Okay, so let's say I want to go with this one. So I'm going to click here and I can choose it in here and I can put like backslash thank you if I want. Okay, I'm going to click here and I can literally do the same. Okay, I can change. I can remove this. You can put the video here. But most importantly, as I showed you before, it can be text, it can be also an image. We need to put a button, okay, this one. So that's where we're going to put our affiliate link. So I'm going to choose the element and I'm going to drag and drop it. So here I have it. I'm going to put it here if I want it. Okay, I can also put some spacing. I can change actually the text here. Well, oops. Okay, if you want to delete the subtext, you can delete it here. If you want to add some icon, you can put it here. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Oh, you don't want it before the text? Okay, no worries. You want it after the text? Here you have. Okay, so here is basically all the space. You can change the color. Let's say I don't want to go with this one. Oh, this is the actual the border. Okay, here's how it's actually the text gonna look like whenever it's over. Here is it, the color. Boom, here is it. Okay, but we need to add the link. Where do we do that? Remember, you're clicking the element or you're clicking here, selecting the element on the wheel. Okay, so I don't want it to submit the form. Okay, I want it to open a URL, which is going to be my affiliate link. And here, I'm going to put my affiliate link. Okay, right now, I'm going to put pound symbol. Okay, because I don't have any link. So that's the bottom that is going to be redirection here. Okay, I'm going to save it. There you have it. Let's say that I already did everything, all the stuff. So how do you know what's your URL? It's going to be this one. So literally you can click here and now you can copy it. And that's the one that you are going to be sharing on your social networks. So people are going to land on this page. They're going to put their name and email. They're going to be added to your email sequence. And then they're going to be redirected to this page. Okay. And here, if they click, they're going to go to the product that you are actually promoting. And this is how easily you can actually create this simple two-step funnel using Systeme.io. Remember, if you haven't created your account yet, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually create your account. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this tutorial with someone who thinks he or she might enjoy it, and I see you guys in the next video.